AI-5 SignalFire Fiber Fusion Splicer. Metal body. Exquisite workmanship, compact and portable. 3-in-1 fiber holder. Compatible with drop cable fiber, pigtail fiber, bare fiber. No need to replace. Fully automatic fusion. Low fusion loss. Preheating automatically starts after successful fusion. 18 seconds fast heating. Built-in LED light for easy operation at night or in dim places. The tool bag strap can be used as a climbing strap to achieve work at height. The product has been sold to more than 100 countries and regions around the world. SignalFire. You can trust it.